Hobie, do you want your bone? Would you like your bone? Would you like your bone? Where's your guy? Do you like your guy? Where's your guy? Do you like your guy? Is your guy fun? Do you like to play with your guy? Your guy's on the bed. I see your guy. He's behind you on the bed. Do you want to play with your guy? Do you love your guy? Is that your buddy? Is he your buddy? Do you love to play with your guy? Your guy's on the bed. He's over there on the bed. Do you love your mama? Do you love me? Go get your guy. Where's your guy? Go play with your guy. Would you like your bone? Do you want your bone on the bed? Would you like your bone? Do you know what I'm saying?